Hi guys! So we're doing a mukbang today.
Seryoso ka?
Magpalit na tayo po. Masyado akong na-expose dito.
Shanne already bought hers. Ta-da! What is the thing called?
Food.
And we're with Karl John, as known as KJ, and Ryan Nevado, as known as Yan Yan. So Shanne already bought hers around 4:20, and we're still waiting for ours. And she's so
Maganda.
faithful.
I know.
She's so faithful because she hasn't ate hers yet. So we're gonna eat.
Puso mo.
So while we're eating, we're gonna ask Shanne questions. So how was
It was good, thank you.
how was tutoring?
Tutoring? Oh,
Tutoring.
tutoring was fine. We did some activities and we had a workshop too.
What kind of
sarap.
activities? Wait.
Mesherep.
Nakakabisit pala ito. Dapat pala hindi na ito in order. Yan. Kailangan guys, tender with love. Tender with my
Sarap. Nasa... Ikaw, pati. Okay.
Ba't ba kasi tinatapsis nyo pa?
Here's the airplane. CHOO CHOO. Here's the train. Nahulog ko eh.
Nahulog.
Here's the train. Here's the ano sabi ko kanina? Here's the airplane. CHOO CHOO.
Here's the airplane, chuchu. Ano yan?
Cute eh. It's my vlog now. Tara, yun si Jollibee. Mag-vlog ka kay Jollibee.
Interviewin natin si Jollibee. So
Sige.
kamusta naman ang buhay? Masaya siya, bida.
Bida.
Wow! Thank you!
You're welcome, myself.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have
Pabalik-balik pa.
nobody for my own.
Ang sarap.
Sure talaga. Gano'n ka sure?
Sobrang sarap.
Sure.
Pero akin lang to. Ay, pabaliktad. Palit tayo, Ryan.
Hindi ka
Wait
naman
lang.
right.
Kaya ko to.
Kaya mo yan, guys.
Tapos dito
space.
ka. Yan.
Ay, miss, ganda niya naman po. Yeah!
Kuya, tagasan ka po?
Puso mo.
Walang forever.